Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Part Question 11. If 16.0 grams of a salt is dissolved in 500 cm cube of distilled water with a concentration of 0.80 moles per dm cube, the molar mass of the salt in grams per mole is A 10.0, B 14.8, C 18.5, D 40.0, E 80.0. So this question is a solubility calculation, and the solubility formula is given as mass over molar mass times 1000 over the volume. So here we are given the mass of the salt here, we are given the volume of solvent here, the volume of distilled water, and we are given this concentration here is the solubility. Solubility is measured in moles per dm cube. So this is the solubility. Now we are asked to find the molar mass of this salt, this particular 16.0 grams of salt. So all we need to do is to substitute and then make the molar mass the subject of the formula, and we get our answer. So the solubility here is 0.80 is equal to mass 16.0 over molar mass unknown, let's call that x, times 1000 over volume, which is 500. So multiply this by this, and this by this, and this by this. So that will give us 16,000 over 500 x 0.80 here. So what we do now is to cross multiply, and when we do that, we'll have 0.80 times 500 x is equal to 16,000. Now 0.80 times 500 x is equal to 400 x equal to 16,000. Now divide both sides by 400. This is divided by 400, this is divided by 400, and x, so 400 divided by 16,000 is equal to 40.0. So 40.0 is option D. So option D, 40.0, is the molar mass of the salt in grams per mole. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.